Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into Ansible and YAML, the dynamic duo of automation. Imagine YAML as the friendly, easy-to-read recipe, while Ansible is the skilled chef executing the steps. Together they make IT automation a piece of cake. Well, almost. By the end, you'll see why YAML is the secret ingredient that keeps Ansible flexible and efficient. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Alright, let's talk about Ansible. Think of it as your personal assistant for IT tasks, except it doesn't complain or ask for coffee breaks. It simplifies automation with easy-to-write scripts, helping you deploy and configure systems effortlessly. Plus, it's agentless, meaning no extra software clutter, just pure efficiency. Now, why YAMLs? If you've ever stared at code and felt like it was written in an alien language, YAML is here to save the day. It's simple, clear, and structured, like a well-organized checklist. Ansible uses it to ensure automation is straightforward, leaving you with fewer headaches and more time for coffee. Let's get into YAML syntax. Unlike other programming languages, YAML is allergic to brackets and semicolons. It prefers clean indentation to organize data. It uses simple key-value pairs, making it super readable. Think of it like a grocery list, except instead of shopping for food, you're configuring automation. YAML key-value pairs are like your favorite playlists. You name them and define their content. Keys are always strings, while values can be numbers, lists, or even true/false statements. This structure makes configuration seamless, so your automation doesn't turn into a messy mixtape. Lists and dictionaries in YAML are like organizing a wardrobe. Lists are stacks of folded clothes, while dictionaries are labeled shelves. With these structures, you can define automation in a way that makes sense, avoiding chaos and ensuring Ansible follows instructions smoothly. Indentation in YAML is strict, like a grammar teacher who won't tolerate misplaced commas. Always use spaces, never tabs, and maintain hierarchy properly. Getting it wrong can lead to errors faster than you can say oops, so be precise. Boolean values in YAML keep automation smart. Whether true or false, they define conditions for playbooks. And don't worry, YAML doesn't judge uppercase or lowercase, making it as forgiving as a best friend during a typo crisis. Variables in Ansible YAML are like sticky notes on your desk. They store reusable values so you don't have to rewrite everything. They boost flexibility, making playbooks adaptable instead of repetitive. Less effort, better automation. Finally, let's wrap up with Ansible Playbooks. These structured YAML files define what needs to be done, like a well-organized to-do list for automation. They use modules and roles, ensuring tasks run smoothly. Master them, and Ansible automation will feel like magic. Alright folks, let's kick things off with tasks and modules in YAML. Think of tasks like tiny assignments. They tell Ansible exactly what to do. Modules, on the other hand, are like your superhero toolkit, helping you automate complex operations with ease. There are built-in modules to make life simpler, but sometimes you need a custom one, just like adding your own secret sauce to a recipe. Now, handlers and conditions. These are the if this, then that magic of YAML. Handlers are perfect for responding to changes, like rebooting a server only if a package gets updated. Conditions let you be smart about executing tasks. You wouldn't water your plants when it's raining, right? So let's use them wisely. Loops in YAML help avoid unnecessary copy-pasting, because who likes that? Instead of writing the same task multiple times, use loops to iterate through items intelligently. Loops work wonders when installing multiple packages or creating users. It's all about making automation look effortless, while secretly doing some heavy lifting. Templates and Jinja 2 make YAML look smarter. Instead of manually configuring everything, use templates to create dynamic and reusable files. With Jinja 2, you can pass variables and fine-tune configurations like a chef adjusting spice levels. You don't want your automation too bland or too overwhelming. Writing YAML is an art, messy indentation is its greatest villain. Keep names clear, syntax simple, and structure neat. A well-organized playbook is like a well-packed suitcase. It saves time and frustration later. So let's follow best practices and avoid unnecessary debugging nightmares. And there we have it. YAML in Ansible isn't rocket science. It's just structured automation with a touch of elegance. Keep best practices in mind, stay organized, and never underestimate the power of well-structured indentation. Now go forth, automate wisely, and impress your colleagues. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.